Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable red eye reduction on the Sony Alpha 6400 camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button, and then we're going to go to section number 1, so this red camera section, and then we're going to go to page number 10 and select red eye reduction. And here you can enable or disable this option, and basically what it does is sometimes when you're taking a photo with the flash on, so this flash, you can sometimes get these red artifacts in the eyes of the people that are in the photo. So if you want that option to be disabled, if you want the eyes to be like removed, you can just enable this option, but if you want to keep that, you can just select it off. So that's about it. You can exit out of the settings, and the options that you've selected will be set automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.